Understanding Play the Viola, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, play the viola. This phrase might seem simple, but it's packed with cultural and linguistic nuances. Let's dive in and understand what it truly means to play the viola in English. Before we understand the phrase, it's essential to know what a viola is. The viola is a string instrument, slightly larger than a violin, and produces a deeper sound. It's a crucial part of orchestras and chamber music. When someone says they play the viola, they're telling you about their musical skills with this specific instrument. Playing the viola isn't just about the instrument, it's also about the cultural context. In many cultures, learning to play a classical instrument like the viola is seen as a sign of sophistication and dedication to the arts. It often requires years of practice and is associated with classical music and high cultural status. When used in everyday conversation, saying, "I play the viola," can serve as a conversation starter or a way to share personal interests. It's a phrase that often leads to discussions about musical preferences, experiences in learning an instrument, or even invitations to perform. It's a great way to connect with others who have an interest in music. Interestingly, play the viola can also be used metaphorically. For instance, in a group where everyone has a role, saying someone plays the viola might mean they have a unique, perhaps understated role that's crucial for the harmony of the group. Just like the instrument in an orchestra. I hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the phrase, play the viola. It's more than just a statement about playing an instrument. It reflects cultural values, personal interests, and even social roles. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.